Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are joined by new artist to watch, Yeza. Welcome, Yeza. You look stunning.
Hey.
Yes.
Thank you, yourself.
Oh, thank you. Now, tell us where you're from and how would you describe your music, first of all?
I'm from Bull Bay. You
Yes,
don't know.
Bull Bay.
St. Andrew, big up yourself, 8 miles.
All right.
My music, I would say it's reggae roots and it's also a little bit rebel, you know, so yeah.
Reggae Roots and Rebel. All right. And how long have you been an artist for? Because I know
A
you're
little bit over a year.
over a year. All right.
A little bit over a year.
Okay.
Jag satt upp så varje.
Just that-
Yeah.
Describe your sound for us.
Well, it would be kind of like what I've described my style to be, and that would be like more roots, rebel, you know. So the
Roots,
sound is kind of edgy, rebellious, you know,
Nice,
and
nice.
lyrical.
Mad.
All right, so
Oh, I hear
I'm
it.
loving the name, Yeza. Like it feels like, does your name have a meaning?
you, thank
I'm
you.
loving it.
Yes, the meaning, it's really strength and resilience. It's a little bit of Swahili and some stuff that I put together for myself, you know, some pitch patch words there
Yeah.
and here.
Yes,
And I was like, you know, yes, a sound.
That's how
like
English
me.
came about, so you can do it.
Exactly.
Some
Yeah.
little things put
Yeah.
about here and there. All right, okay, well, I can't wait to hear your song. Take it away, Yeza. Yes, run the track.
Do the
run
thing.
track, run the track.
Rebel with the cause too. Yeah, man. Rebel up. Justice officer for every rebel with the cause too. Do no trouble we, do no bad that trouble we. When you see the rebel, them a road no bad that trouble we. Hey, do no trouble we, do no bad that trouble we. When you see the rebel, them a road no bad that trouble we. Rebel no apology, write me check no salary. When you see the royalty, crown me and me new currency like a Daffy conformity a bad me. Where the excite Malcolm dash the bullet like Nanny Batty. Them no wanna liberty, Snake Clinton Hillary. Justice for all or just the one them with the trickery. Oppression and gossip and me activity for victory. Politicians set me pan them use them watching bitterly. Like them drinking Cersei. When me granny make for me, they not gonna like me company. Me cut the strings to puppetry, communicate telepathy. Call the rebel infantry. Justice officer for every era where they dead for we. Hey, do not trouble we, do not bad that trouble we. When you see the rebel, them a road no bad that trouble we. Hey, do not trouble we, do not bad that trouble we. When you see the rebel, them a road no bad that. You wake the sleeping giant from him sleep, now you are slumber. Columbus last I see, I never have the captain number. Babylon where you are run for, we have where you did come for. We now go kill we bread that dirty system, we are counter. Dirty system brown ya, search them like a browser. Rough them up and make them push the goods, them we sell local. Yes we cast with vocal, them no check the total. IMF a central bank take money from the low. Government kill man like cemetery, and I tell we crime hereditary. What am I gonna do with the garden when poor people pick up every cherry? Them seeds now come like sesame seeds, exposed like bird. Sesame Street Babylon, this are the rebel redeem. Babylon make way for the rebel redeem. Do no trouble we, do no bad that trouble we. When you see the rebel, them a road no bad that trouble we. Hey, do no trouble we, do no bad that trouble we. When you see the rebel, them a road no bad that trouble we. Hey, rebel with the cause.
Hey,
Rebel no apology.
hey,
Do not bad that trouble away.
hey. Get there.
No. All right. That was lovely, Yeza. I love that.
Yeah, man.
I love that. So this is a part of your. This is the track that you're gonna release, or tell us a little bit about that.
This track now, it's actually out today.
All right.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
wicked.
released it with a video. So you don't know, it's a street song, so we're just going the road with it.
So tell me about the video.
Oh, the video. We aired it this morning on Smart Jamaica TVJ.
Oh, did you know? Yes. We're on the pulse, you know, of what's happening. All right.
Yeah, and the video is it shows that kind of theme, you know. It's not really just rebel to say, oh, I want to run into some place and mash up some building and be destructive. No, it's a constructive approach to being a rebel, and we're saying that we're channeling that, you know, that ancestral spirit and using it to do constructive things, to build the community, you know, to inform the younger youths about themselves and, you know, the history and moving forward positively.
Yeah, man.
Great.